Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to start streaming on YouTube and want a seamless and easy-to-use solution, today's video is perfect for you. We're diving into how to use Streamlabs to start streaming on YouTube. Whether you're a gamer, a vlogger, or looking to host live discussions, Streamlabs has got you covered. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to download Streamlabs. Head over to streamlabs.com and click on the download button. Streamlabs is available for both Windows and Mac, so choose the version compatible with your operating system. After downloading, install the software by following the on-screen instructions. Once installation is complete, open Streamlabs. Here's a quick wizard to help you. After that, you'll be prompted to log in. I recommend using your YouTube account for direct integration. After logging in, you need to install a theme. You can choose and install any theme from here. You can skip the rest. Here are some quick tips to help you get started. Make sure to read them. If you didn't log in earlier, you can stream using StreamKey. To find your stream key on YouTube, go to your YouTube studio, click on Create, then go live. If this is your first time, you might need to verify your account, which can take up to 24 hours. Once verified, click on the Stream tab and you'll see your stream key. Copy this key and paste it back into Streamlabs. Now that your account is connected, let's set up your stream. In the Editor tab, you can add different sources to your stream like your webcam, game capture, or even display capture. Click on the plus sign to add a new source. For instance, to add a game, choose Game Capture and select the game you want to stream. If you're using a game, don't forget to add the game sounds. Go to Sources, select Audio Output, Capture, then select your dedicated audio device and press Add Source. Don't forget to add your microphone and webcam. Click on Plus, select Video Capture Devices, and choose your connected webcam. Do the same for your microphone by selecting Audio Input Capture. If you don't have a webcam, that's okay. You can continue without webcam. You can drag and resize these sources on the screen to suit your layout. Streamlabs also offers themes and widgets like chat boxes, donation alerts, and more, which you can find under the Themes tab. Once your scene looks good, you're almost ready to go live. But before you do, make sure to tweak your output settings for the best quality. Head over to Settings, then Output, and adjust your bitrate and resolution. A higher bitrate generally means better quality, but requires a stronger internet connection. If you're not sure about your internet speed, run a quick test online and adjust your settings accordingly. You can check your internet speed at speedtest.net. Here's a chart for the internet to bitrate ratio. I will link it in the description. Remember, a stable stream is better than a high-quality stream that buffers. You can also stream by scheduling the stream in Creator Studio. To do that, navigate to Creator Studio, click Create then Live, then click Schedule Stream, and follow me on how to create a stream. After creating the stream, head to Streamlabs and click Go Live. Then select the stream you made in the Events tab and simply press Confirm and go live. There you go, you're live on YouTube. I hope this tutorial helps you get started with your streaming journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Drop any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the comments below. Happy streaming, and I'll see you in the next video.